So there's quite a lot of them on the ground. Yes, those bees, look. You seen them? Yeah. Ubiquitous chip, I think they've come out of. So if you tell them the council, yeah. Look at that. The bees! The bees! Bees swarming on Ashton Lane. I'm looking for a hive, obviously. Where about? Oh yeah, over there. They come out the ubiquitous chip. They've got a hive up there. Oh, don't bother fucking speaking. I got some film of that. Well, can you say something about the bees? Say something about the bees.
About the bees?
Look.
It's a bee's knees.
That's your...
And they should be living in trees.
Yeah, street poet. Yeah, great. I like that one.
And I know it.
Yeah. I like that. They come out the...
Does it work for the nation?
yeah, you know, it's my last week of work where I'm redundant, as I've told you, you bastard.
Much as you make that.
Hey, oh yeah, this is... Okay, that was a great one anyway.